Okay, Nick, today we're going to work on chipping. So first of all, I'd like you to get set up to it correctly. So what I'd like you to do is set up to it with your feet similar to a full swing, but slightly narrower, closer together, and take your front foot and do what we call a little bit of an open stance, meaning you put your front foot back a little bit. Okay, now you want to have your hands all the way to the bottom of the handle. That's for maximum control. And then you push the handle more towards your front hip. Perfect. Okay, now the last thing we want to make sure we do in our setup is to make sure you have your knees nice and bent. And that allows for stability, but also the ability to be nice and loose with your whole body. So Nick, what I would like you to do is get slightly closer to the ball, almost like you're standing over a putt. Okay, to the point that you almost feel like the club might be up on its toe just a little bit. Okay, put a touch more weight, maybe like 60-40 into your front foot. So lean forward just a smidge. Okay, perfect. All right, Nick, I'm going to get you from behind here with your stroke from the standpoint that I want you to use your arms and shoulders to dictate this stroke. Stroking through the ball directly towards your target as you go through the ball. Okay, perfect. Now what I'm going to do, Nick, is also ask you, for the benefit of this video, to show me from this angle as well as from another angle what not to do from the standpoint of flipping and trying to lift the ball. So what should we not do here, Nick? Okay, that was actually miraculously successful, but let me show you from the front what we're looking not to do, because we do not want to try to lift the ball and scoop the club with our hands and wrists. That was more like what the typical results are, and that ball went about 5 feet. If that, right. So, show me again from the front, Nick, what we're looking to do, keeping the handle ahead of the club head at all times as we use our arms and shoulders to go through the ball. Perfect.